So today we're going to show you how to install a window on a Pelican case. You'll start by laying it down. It's going to kind of rock, so you'll kind of want to prop it up with something back here so it'll stay a little bit more flatter. Okay, so we're going to get our gasket. We're going to pull one side off and we're going to stick it around. Sure it's not coming out on the other side. Okay, it's all in within the circle. Then you're going to pull the other side off. You're going to get your window here and lay it as even as you can. Then get our window clips, and then in this one we'll be using nuts. So you're going to lay it on. Then hand tighten just to get it on there all the way around. And then if they're a little angled, you can straighten them up and just tighten them down to where they don't shift. And that's how you install the window.